Okay, here's where we're shacking up. It's one of two tea houses. It's right below Lorabina. It's not this one. It's actually this one here. Check out this view. Trekkers are just coming in. Hi there. Comfortable? Trying to stay warm. Alright, so we got the view from a chill spot. Hope you can see that. This is our tea house. I'm gonna go inside and show you around really quickly because there's not much. So let's go into the dining hall. Dining hall. We've got a guitar post up. It's one of the owners. Namaste.
Namaste.
All right.
How are you?
Good. YouTube. All right. So look at all this merch. If you need your on your way up or on your way down, you've got all your favorite Western snacks. And they got a souvenir shop. So what I really like about this dining hall, they got a wood burning fireplace. So later when the temperature drops, because we're so high up, those pieces of wood to the right are going to go inside of that, and we're just going to have a seat and go sing Kumbaya around this fireplace. All right, let's go. Oh, the kitchen. Oh, they have everything you need. Everything you can imagine is on their menu. They have like a 4-page menu, so no worries. All right, let's go. Forget the dark. I'm going to show you the bathroom really quickly, or the toilet. Turn the power on. Okay, there we go. Hello. So this is pretty much it. Squatty potty, bucket of water. If you need to shower, which I did, they provide you with hot, you can take a hot bucket shower. They provide you with hot water. Hey, you even have a window and light. Okay, let's roll on down the hall. Got a bunch of rooms here. We decided to go with room number 3. All right, so, oh my God, I don't have the key, so let me go and get the key. Okay, now that I have the key, unlock the door. Bed number 1. Bed number 2, and we've got power. It's some carpet on the floor. We got our bags in the corner. I mean, our poles, our bag, and a few of our clothing hung up. We got blankets and a pillow. My head is facing the window because from this window, if you can see, hopefully, there's a view of nature, but what you may or may not be able to see is the mountains, snow-capped mountains. Wood structure, so it's going to be warm as you can be, but that's pretty much it. All right, so this is the back side. They also have another toilet right in this outhouse right there, right outside. Tomorrow we'll be heading that way. Namaste. Don't forget, this is it. Huh? The U.S. The U.S.
Oh, you're from the US?
Yeah. Thanks, man. Namaste. Namaste.
What's up, guys?
What's up? All right. Yeah. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please go ahead, hit the like button, smash it, smash it, smash it. If you don't like this tea house room tour, it's all right. Smash the dislike, but don't forget to like and subscribe, man. Subscribe so you get more unfiltered videos. Next, what country am I going to? Who knows? Hit me up in the comments. Give me your feedback. Let me know what you think. Would you stay at a place like this if you're on the trekking in the Himalayas in Nepal? Or have you stayed at a place like this? Anyhow, peace. One love. Safe travels. As usual, yo, get out, see the world, do something phenomenal, and experience something different outside of your country, outside of your city, outside of your state, outside of your town. Go travel, see the world. Okay, peace.